Hello, I'm Tony Bengtson, President of Precision Recruiting and the Colorado Talent Recruitment Network. Today we have Venkat Devraj, CEO of SelectHub with me. And today we're going to talk about the next strategic investment companies really need to take in the technology investment process of their companies.
Thank you for having me, Tony. Good to meet you. Tony, I want to talk about a deep shift that's happening in the way companies are buying, consuming technology today. Mm-hmm. And when you look at this whole market, it's a $2 trillion annual spend. And according to leading analysts, they are saying that in the next couple of years, over 1/3 of that budget will be spent outside the purview of the IT department.
Wow.
Now, that's a scary thought because when you look at some of these investments, we are not just talking $100 being spent there, a few $1,000s being spent there. We are talking about the high impact 5, 6, and 7-figure investments companies are making. And that's a big deal because the IT department understands from a governance standpoint, from a risk standpoint, from a performance standpoint, from a scalability standpoint, what are the attributes these technologies need to have, and decisions are being made, sometimes without their involvement. And IT is often the last to know about it, in fact. CIOs find out during the Monday morning staff meeting when they hear their peers talking about the support they now need to make the implementation successful. Mm-hmm. When you look at these risks, you really are talking about a couple of factors here. One is an old world, stodgy, centralized governance model that IT organizations have. And they're able to get away with it to some extent. But with the popularity of cloud computing, the popularity of software as a service delivery models, it's being shaken to the core. And really, you can't blame these end users. They go to conferences, they go to marketing events, and they see that their peers are using X, Y, and Z technology. And they want to bring it into their organization. They want to be more productive. Mm-hmm. They want to get to market faster. They want to be more successful. So you really can't hold that against them. Fundamentally, the issue here is, if you look at the governance model, there are lots of manual checks and balances. There are a lot of manual processes that can be changed. And with that change, IT can scale. IT can become a lot more agile. IT can move at the speed of business when it comes to onboarding new technology. And really, the problem has gone from bad to worse in the last few years. My co-founders and I saw it, and we saw that there is something that can be done to fix this, to make the world a better place for IT and end user business units. And that's why we created SelectHub.